Good afternoon, my crafty friends. This is Debbie with GRN Market, and today this video is going to be a little different. This is going to be a flip through. These are some what do you call them? Mini journal Christmas ornaments. So I know other creators have made them, but this is just my take on them. These are available at my my Etsy store. I have Depop, Poshmark, and eBay. So I will go ahead and list those if you're interested in purchasing. If not, I'm going to follow through with how I made them. So I'll tell you a little bit about them right now anyway. This is the little hanger. This is just some burgundy cording. This is one of the brads, a charm holder brad. And these are just some of the beads I've purchased. Some of them I like these. I took apart necklaces that I was no longer using. The little charms I've purchased. So a lot of, most of the stuff in here is new. So I probably shouldn't even call it a junk journal. This looks like it's tangled. Some of the threads there. Okay, the key, and there's a snowflake I purchased, a little heart, and a little angels watching over me. And this is all on wax thread, and I did just kind of loop it around. Now you could actually make your charm to come on and off. I just decided to make this something that to put on here like this. So it's entirely up to you if you make your own, however you want to do this. You could add, actually, personalize it a little bit more. But this is like I said, this is mini. This is the height is 5 inches, the width is 3.5, the spine is 1.5 inches, and then I've just tied it with some sari silk that I purchased from an Etsy store. So if you want any of that information, just let me know. This is some upholstery fabric that I've had. Little decorative corners that I've glued on. They're all 4 corners. And the sari silk is really shredding. So if you guys have ever worked with that, you kind of understand that those threads do come off. It's not sewn or anything. So you can clip them or leave them, however you want. So hopefully you have a good view of this, and we'll just throw the charms up there. And then the inside's a little bit different. It's just more of a off-white with a brown floral, little butterflies on it. And then these are all purchased cardstock. And then they have the white backs. Now, before I did put this together, I did stitch on ribbon in every signature. But these are just, I did side pockets with some little journaling cards. But like I said, this is not personalized at all. This is for somebody to purchase and to decorate how they want to do it. Just made some journaling cards out of the cardstock. There's 6 pages in each signature, so that's a total of 18 pages. The papers are very varied. Very varied. Little corner pocket. It's kind of simple, but that's the way it should be, because like I said, this is something that I was thinking of somebody purchasing. Some burgundy ribbon, little pocket. Like I said, it's just lots of different types of cardstock. I mixed and matched. I didn't try to match anything up. But this here, the blank pages, I just figured you could use for journaling, or you could glue in some photos, however you want to use this. Oh, there we go. And this one has the ribbon, the lace ribbon. some plaid, tree trunk, more little tags. Oh, there you go. So hopefully you guys, I am going to start doing these, I guess, how-to tutorial for this. So, yeah. And then this can be, I mean, depending on how long it is, I just thought maybe make it a bow since it is going to hang on a tree, or that's the intended use for it. I guess I should say. Get a little, see if I can poke that through just a little bit, help myself. And then, yeah, we just tie it. This is probably a really quick little video. I wanted to try and get out today. So, and then, now I don't think I'm going to make like one video. It'll be more of a little bit of a series. Just, you know, so it's not too long, because I still kind of want to stay in that 30-minute range. So see, there we go. And then we hang it on the tree here, like on a branch, if that's how you want to choose to use it. Or you can just let this hang down and you could put it in a little bookshelf, or just lay it on your table shelf, however you want to do that. And then if it's something that you don't want me to add the charms on, I don't need to do that. If you want, if maybe you have something more personal you wanted to add. Or maybe I could even, I probably should go back and make these removable, is what I should do. So you do have that choice, but we'll get there. So there you go. There is that little flip through. I made it very colorful. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and then not today, probably tomorrow I'll get out another video and we can I'll start creating it. Okay, you guys, happy crafting. Bye-bye.